Today, now you have your GK class. Today we are going to see the next lesson in GK. That is page number 16. The name of the lesson is invention. The name of the lesson is invention. So if you have your GK book, means take your GK book. Otherwise, no need. Just listen. Page number 16. Invention. Page number 16. Invention. Okay. Sirti, what you are doing? So, invention. What is mean by invention? So, a thing that has been made or designed by somebody for the first time. So, for the first time, the thing has been made or designed by someone. So, it is the invention of that particular thing. So, invention means a thing that has been made or designed by somebody for the first time. Somebody for the first time. So the 20th and 21st century, the 20th and 21st century have seen some of the greatest inventions we have today. But we must not forget that some early invention have fueled modern invention. So write the names of the invention with the help of the image. So one side they have given the image alone. Using this fact, you are going to write the name of the image. So first one is microwave oven. First one is microwave oven. It is commonly referred as microwave. It is commonly referred as a microwave. So stop chatting and just listen. If you didn't have your book, you just listen. So first one is microwave oven. It is commonly referred as microwave. It is commonly referred as microwave. It was invented by the American engineer Percy Spencer. American engineer Percy Spencer. So Percy Spencer, he only invented the device. He only invented the microwave device after the World War II. After the World War II, from the radar technology developed during the war. From the radar technology developed during the war. It is an electric oven. So microwave oven is an electric oven that heats and cooks the food. So Percy Spencer invented this device which would help people to heat the food faster. So microwave oven is commonly referred as microwave. So the American engineer Percy Spencer, he only invented this device after the World War II from the radar technology which was developed during the war by exposing into electromagnetic radiation. So this microwave oven is an electric oven. It is an electric oven that heat and cook the food faster. That heat and cook the food faster. It was first sold in the year 1946. So this microwave oven was sold in the year, first sold in the year 1946. Second one is light bulb. That is electric, not electric bulb, light bulb. So incandescent light bulb. Incandescent light bulb. It is electric lamp also same. So who invented this bulb? It is Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison. He found a way to bring electricity to home by inventing this. So incandescent light bulb. Incandescent light bulb. It was first invented by Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison. He found a way to bring the electricity to home by inventing this. So Thomas Alva Edison, he was an American inventor and a businessman. He was an American inventor and a businessman who has been described as America's greatest inventor. America's greatest inventor. He developed many devices such as electric power generation, mass communication, sound recording. So, Thomas Alva Edison developed many devices such as electric power generation, mass communication, sound recording. So the invention include, his invention include phonograph, motion picture camera, electric early version, that is light bulb, which is light bulb is a widespread impact in the world. Light bulb is the widespread impact in the world. So microwave oven, it was invented by Percy Spencer. Next, light bulb, that is electric lamp, was invented by Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison. Next one is, this one is abacus. So the Greeks used this to perform calculation. So abacus, the Greeks only first used this to perform calculation, and the Chinese used rods and beads for it. Chinese, they used the rods and beads for this. So the historians believe, abacus, the Greeks used this to perform calculation, and the Chinese used rods and beads for it. So it is also, this abacus is also called as counting frame. It is also called as counting frame. Next one is compass. So what is mean by compass? So compass is a device which is used to measure the direction. Which is used to measure the direction, in which direction you are. So compass, the Chinese discovered that a free moving magnet points to the north, and this instrument was born. So this instrument was invented more than 2000 years ago. So this compass was invented more than 2000 years ago. So historians, they believe that the Chinese may be the first civilization to use the magnetic compass. To use the magnetic compass. So historians are the learned men and women. They gather the information from various sources and they make the detailed study about the things. So historians, they believe China's has been the first civilization to use the magnetic compass. It is an instrument used to find direction. So compass is an instrument used to find the direction. Compass is the instrument used to find the direction. Fourth one, telephone. So telephone, it was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Who invented the telephone? It is Alexander Graham Bell. He only invented the telephone. He was an inventor, scientist, and engineer professor. He was best known for his, Alexander Graham Bell, he was known for his invention of the telephone. He was best known for his invention of the telephone. He was born in Scotland. So Alexander Graham Bell invented this telephone so that the people could talk to each other over great distance. So microwave oven was invented by Percy Spencer. Incandescent light bulb, that is electric lamp, it was invented by Thomas Alva Edison. Abacus, it was first performed by the Greeks. Then the Chinese, they used the rods and beads to count for counting. Next, compass is a device to find the direction. Compass is a device to find the direction. So Chinese, they only first use the magnetic compass. They only use the first magnetic compass. Telephone, it was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Telephone, it was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. He was born in Scotland. He was an inventor, scientist, engineer, and professor. He was best known for his inventions, that is telephone. Next one is wheel. This was first invented by people in Mesopotamia. That is ancient Mesopotamian people only invented the wheel. Used for moving people and goods. So in the third standard, you have studied in social. So the early humans, they only first invented the wheels. So after inventing the wheels, the life become easier. And the wheel is used for moving goods and people from one place to another. So this was first invented by the ancient Mesopotamian people. The wheel is used for moving people and goods from one place to another. Last one is X-ray. So Wilhelm Röntgen invented this to help doctors treat broken bones. So the X-ray, that is X radiation. X-ray means X radiation, that is penetrating form of high energy radiation. Penetrating form of high energy radiation. So it was invented in the year 1895. So doctor used this X-ray to see the broken bones. So Wilhelm Röntgen invented this X-ray which helped the doctor to treat the broken bones. So microwave oven, it was first invented by Percy Spencer. Microwave oven was first invented by Percy Spencer. It was commonly referred as microwave. This microwave oven was first sold in the year 1946. So after the World War II only, this microwave oven is developed. Second one, electric bulb or light bulb, incandescent light bulb. It was first invented by Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison. He has been described as America's greatest inventor. He invented the light bulb. Third one is abacus. It is called as counting frame. Abacus, it is called as counting frame. Greek only used this to perform calculation. Later, Chinese, they use rods and beads for it. Next one is compass. It's an instrument or a device used to find the direction. Used to find the direction. Next one is telephone. It was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Next, the wheel. It was invented by ancient Mesopotamian people. Ancient Mesopotamian people. After the invention of wheel, the life is possible for the early humans. With the help of the wheel, they move peoples and goods from one place to another. The last one is X-ray. Wilhelm Röntgen invented the X-ray in the year 1895. So doctor used the X-ray to find out the broken bones. To find out the broken bones. So next lesson is the moon. Next lesson is the moon. So moon, it is one of the natural satellite. It is the brightest object in the night sky. The moon has no water, no plants, no air, and no life. So moon. Moon is a natural satellite of the earth. Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Moon is the brightest object in the night sky. So in the night sky, you will able to see the moon. It changes its shapes. Whether life is possible on the moon? No. The moon has, because the moon does not have any water, air, or plants to live. So the life is not possible on the moon. So the moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. Earth's only natural satellite. So the moon is revolve around the earth in a fixed path called orbit. So the moon, it revolves around the earth in a fixed path, called orbit. So the moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. It is a rocky, airless object that travels around the earth in a circular path called orbit. So I said, no, moon is the natural satellite of the earth. It move around the earth in a fixed path called orbit. The moon has no atmosphere. The moon has no atmosphere. The surface of the moon is made of. The surface of the moon is made of craters. That is bowl-shaped depression. Bowl-shaped depression. So crater means hole. That is bowl-shaped depression. So the mountain, valley, plains, etc. The surface of the moon is made up of crater, mountain, valley, plains, and etc. So the recent study have shown the presence of water in the form of frozen ice. Presence of water in the form of frozen ice. The moon does not support life. The moon does not support life. Whether the moon has any light? No, the moon has no light of its own. So the moon and the planet, they do not have any life at all. So they reflect the light from the sun. They reflect the light from the sun. So the sun and the stars, they have only own light. They have their own light. So the moon has not, the moon has no light of its own. The moon has no light of its own. It shines by reflecting the sunlight. It shines by reflecting the sunlight. So the moon, it takes 27 days to go around the earth. So how many days it takes to complete its one round? That is one revolution. It takes 27 days to go around the earth and return to its starting position. So the first man on land, the first man on land on the moon, the first man to land on the moon was Neil Armstrong. So many years ago, the three scientists, who are the three scientists? Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. The three of them, they flew in a rocket. The name of the rocket is Apollo 11. They flew on the rocket of these three astronauts. Neil Armstrong was the first person to step on the moon. Neil Armstrong was the first person to step on the moon. So Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, they took many photographs of this moon surface. The other side of the moon. The other side of the moon. So we always see only one side of the moon. We always see only one side of the moon. As it travels around the earth, it just spins once during each orbit of the earth. Due to this reason, we never get to see the other side of the moon from the earth. So we always see only one side of the moon, because as it travels around the earth, it just spins once during each orbit. When it spins During each orbit, it will spins on its own. So due to this reason, we never get to see the other side of the moon from the earth. Other side of the moon from the earth. Next one is blue moon. Is the second full moon occurring with a calendar month. It usually occurs once every 3 years. So blue moon appears rarely. It appears rarely coming August 22nd, 2021. You will able to see the blue moon. So coming August 22nd. Now it is July 27th. Nearly how many days? 25 days. So you will able to see the blue moon. It appears rarely. It appears rarely. So we see only one side of the moon as it travels around the earth. It just spins once during each orbit of the earth. So due to this reason, we never get to satellite the other side. Next one, last one is blue moon. You will able to see the blue moon on August 22nd, 2021. Last topic is tides on earth are caused by the moon. Tides on earth are caused by the moon. So what is mean by tide? That is the change in the level of the sea. Change in the level of the sea caused by the moon and the sun. Caused by the moon and the sun. So tide means change in the level of the sea caused by the moon and the sun. So the tides in the ocean it is caused by the gravitational pull of the moon. So high tides and low tides occur each day. High tides, it takes place on the part of the earth closer to the moon. Earth closer to the moon. This is due to the fact that the month's pull is slightly stronger on the other side of the earth closer to it. So you just know moon. Moon is a natural satellite of the earth. So life is not possible on the moon because the moon does not have any water to drink or air to breathe, no plants. So life is not possible on the moon. So moon, whether the moon has own light? No, it does not have own light. It reflects the light from the sun. It takes 27 days to complete one revolution. Neil Armstrong, he was the first man to step on the moon. So you will able to see the blue moon on August 22, 2021. The last one is tide. Tide means changes in the level of the sea caused by the moon and the object. Caused by the moon and the sun. Caused by the moon and the sun. So tide is a change in the level of the sea. It is caused by the moon and the sun. So okay children. So we have completed the 2 lessons. The next lesson we will see in the next class. Thank you children.